almost at the spot where we want to drop. Oh, look at the bait. Huge school of bait going under now. Always a good sign when you're first getting out here that you see some bait. I won't spend much time here, but might see if there's something interested in the lure. Yeah, big school of bait there, eh? That's quite cool, but I don't want to spend much time fishing here. I want to get out and amongst it. So let's keep on moving, but definitely a good sign that there's bait around. Alright, first proper drop of the day. Really nice out here. Not much swell at all, which makes it a lot more enjoyable. No hits on the first drop. Can't always be as lucky as last time. So I'm just using the same rig or the same setup that I got that kingfish on last time. So super light gear, light jigging rod, 15-pound line, 15-pound leader, and a little 15-pound jig. Cast over towards the rocks a little bit more. No luck. First tiny little sign. Fish activity is not much, but it's the only thing I've seen so far, so maybe worth a little drop. Oh, a little shark. Shit. Don't know if that's coming up on the GoPro, but there's a shark right there. See his fin. See his fin coming out of the surface there. Not a big shark, but I think I'll keep my distance. We're out in deeper water now. Not really finding anything along the headland, so come out from that a bit just to try a different tactic. 28 meters of water now. See if there's anything way out here. Probably even go a little bit deeper. I don't really expect to jig anything up right out here in this depth of water. I don't think I've ever got anything on the jig out here on the kayak. Oh, fish on! No way. Feels like a bonnie. Yeah, it's fighting like a bonnie. Insane. Nothing on the sounder at all. And yet a little bonnie. There he is. Tiny little guy. Is it a bonnie? Yeah, it's a bonnie. No wait, is that a bonnie or a little mac tuna? Actually, I think that's a little like mac tuna. Chill out, little guy. I have a feeling that guy is a little mac tuna. Beautiful little guy. I'm gonna put him back. He would be yummy sashimi, but I'm gonna let him go. See ya, dude. I've never actually caught like a Mac tuna before, so I don't know if that's a Mac tuna or like a skipjack tuna or something, or even if that's the same thing. Oh. Wait, is that a fish or? Yeah, it's a fish. Now this is a strange fish because he's not really fighting. It's going to be a reef fish of sorts. Got a little bit of weight to him though. Interesting. What we have here is anyone's guess, but I think. Oh, what is he? Oh, no way, a nanagai. I did not expect to catch one of these out here, but that is pretty cool that you can come out here and jig up a nanagai. And ideally, you would obviously like a little bit more meat on them. They don't get very big, but he's pretty cool. Look at his big mouth, weird eye. Definitely like a creature of the deep. There we go. Oh jeez, is he alright? Yeah, he's alright. It's hard to hit then actually. What is that? I've just dropped down and I think it's another tuna. I literally just dropped down and as I was dropping it, I felt something hit it, and then I just saw a school under me, and it's this guy again, which again is the little Mac tuna. So there must be plenty of these guys around at the moment. I saw a whole school of them under my yak just then. There he goes. Little tuna, little Mac tuna. Oh cool. I could be using these guys for sashimi, but I won't. He's a little small. Good fun to catch though. A little bit of an interesting kind of piece of topography there, so just going to have a little drop on top of that. See if anything happens. Oh, there we go. Is he on? Yeah, he's on. What have we got this time? A little bit of weight again, this guy. Not really kicking up there. Wonder if it's like another nanagai or something. He's not fighting at all. Definitely going to be a reefy sort of a fish. There he is. Oh no, he's a big pike. You a pike? Yeah, it's a big pike. Jeez, I can actually smell him from here. They're a really stinky fish, these fish. They're actually pretty good bait if you wanted to use live bait and chuck them out, or even just strips to be honest. But he's kind of a big pike. They've got gnarly teeth. Might get the pliers for this guy actually. Just hang tight for a sec, mate. Don't really want to mess around too much with him, and he's off just like that, so that's helpful. Okay. Did not expect to catch a pike out here. Full of surprises when you get deeper in the water. Just dropped down again and hooked up to something else. Maybe even a little bit heavier, this guy. He's got a bit of weight and he's fighting a little bit. We've got to have a different species altogether here. Definitely swimming around a bit. What do we got here? Ah, he's our old friend of Sergeant Baker. Of course, of course. There we go. See ya, mate. Jeez, just had a decent hit there. Whew. We have a fish on. Oh, look at the fish going under. This guy feels like a bonnie or something like that. Oh, some sort of tuna, but he's off. Damn it. Probably had the oh, it's so annoying. I think I had the drag a bit tight there. Probably should have let him run a little bit more. Alright, GoPro on the head is gone, out of battery, and I think we're going to call that a day.